good morning or afternoon from Skogafoss in Iceland. So this is one of the waterfalls that we are seeing today. I'm on the south coast of Iceland, doing a glacier walk later on. Not a full hike. So the ground is pretty icy and slippery. Apparently the the crampons that I bought are for extreme ice versus mild ice, which is what this is. So yeah, I don't know, pretty so far. So you can walk up some stairs that go along the side there, and then there's a lookout point up top. The guide recommended that we not walk up today, even though some people are walking. You can see them like right over here. She said that it's really slippery today, so if you end up doing it, just know that, you'll have some challenges. So because I'm injury prone, I'm staying away from that. So I think I'm doing pretty okay just to walk on these regular ice. Hopefully I'm not speaking too soon. So what I think is interesting is apparently all this at one point was underwater, like a big part of a glacier. And when it melted, all this part of the land is what came up. So I'll do a little pan to show you what's going on here.
They gave her the keys, right?
Lots of different tours come out this way. So let's see. Yeah, so you can walk behind the waterfall. I'm not doing that because I don't feel like being wet all day. And of course, since I laugh in the face of danger, I'm going to walk over here as soon as this guy finishes taking his picture. And he's taking too long, so I'm just going to walk in front of him, and he'll just have to be mad. And so yeah, this is wow. This is pretty amazing. See if I can zoom in. Oh Lord, I'm getting wet. Okay. It's time to go. Let me see if I can get just a smidge closer. Oh, so this is all sea moss on the ground because of course everything was underwater. So now it's just growing on the mountainside. Okay. Pretty cool, right? Alright, I think this is as far as I'm going to go because it's a bit wet over here.